Hey guys, I found one of the best add-ons for my Rhake VX backpack by Mission Workshop. It comes in at an affordable price too. It's all thanks to a Reddit post by user Seattle Reader Tiny. It's going to work great with any other Mission Workshop backpack too because it fits onto the Arkiv rail system on the front straps, and essentially it adds 2 pockets to it. So today we're going to be looking at Massdrop and Intern's collaboration of Small Pocket. It's part of their a modular adaptive carry system, which has some other pockets and packets, but today we're only going to be looking at the Small Pocket because it is the one that works with the Arkiv rail system and fits the best. It's a $10 pocket that's made out of VX7. So it's really water resistant and looks really good with the VX on the Rhake backpack by Mission Workshop. More importantly, it fits onto the Arkiv rail system perfectly with the C clips that it comes with. At this time though, unfortunately they're sold out. And but I think they're gonna have more because they've been selling this since 2019, and it seems like it used to be a drop and now it's more of a consistent item on Massdrop. The pockets themselves are pretty small. They're 7 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 2 inches deep. So they can't fit that much stuff. You're not going to be able to stuff a cell phone in there. Now, how the pockets fit onto the rail system is with these 2 C clips. They also come with 2 G clips that work with other mole type of systems. So you can actually put this onto a mole backpack or bag. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can put the pocket onto the rail system. First, you're gonna take the C clips that you find on both ends of the pocket, flip them around. It can be a little bit of struggle, but it shouldn't be that hard. Once you got the C-clips flipped around, you're going to take them and align them with the rail system. Once they're aligned, you're going to slip them in onto the rail. I recommend pushing one side in. If you have a fatter side on the rail, just push it down the fatter side first and then push it down the skinnier side. I know that these rail systems can be kind of difficult sometimes. Okay, once you have the C clip in, use the G clip to pull it down. That's where I found the most leverage, and it makes it a little bit easier to slide in. And then once you got both sides in, you're just gonna close the rail system back up, and there we go. We got 2 pockets. Right now I'm using the pockets mainly to hold my cleaning supplies because there's a contagious disease that's going around right now. And I usually carry my hand sanitizer, some wet wipes in there. Mainly, the most important thing is I carry my hand sanitizer and my brass key, which is a key with a hook at the end. Brass is known to be a little bit antimicrobial, so I can use it onto door handles and stuff and not worry about it holding the germs. So I definitely recommend the Massdrop Intern Small Pocket if you are looking to add some functionality to your Mission Workshop backpack, especially if they fit on the Arkiv rail system. I'm sure there are other straps it might fit on. If you have like a thin web strap on your backpack straps too, you could probably slide the G hooks in or the C clips. It comes in at a very low price too, at $10, and it's aesthetically it looks amazing. And compared to Mission Workshop's own utility pocket, which comes in at $35 each, it's way cheaper. So it might not come with the reliability or the claims of, you know, lifetime guarantee like Mission Workshop, but I think that at $20 for the both of them, you can't go wrong. So if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe. I'll be posting content like this. And if you do want to help me out, I also will post my Massdrop link where you can get $10 off your first order if you use my link to join Massdrop. All right, thank you.